Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the touch keyboard settings on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for settings and then open them. In Settings, select Time and Language from the left sidebar. From there, select Typing. In Typing Settings, select Touch Keyboard to expand more options. These are the options to customize your touch keyboard. You can choose whether it plays sounds when typing and other settings. You can also choose when the virtual keyboard appears and set it to Always Never, or when no keyboard is connected. This is the recommended option. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.